Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other website you can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you $. This is new website launched, and this much withdraw this website pay, this much USD dollar, and this much users this website has. And this website pay you Litecoin and Faucet pay. Okay, and this is one of the new website and the base website. This website pay you 100%. Okay, and the login is very easy. Just click login, and here is a sign up. Okay, sorry, just sign up in here. Okay, they didn't make any sign up. Okay, right now you can put your email, username, password, confirm password, and you can make an account. Okay, in that place this website didn't make any sign up. Okay, about that I use login to come here to show you how you can sign up. And after that you log in, this website send you a confirmation in your email, in spam, and you can easily go to and to make a activate this website. Okay, the first way you can earn from here is the manual faucet. Okay, the manual faucet is a very high payment. This much USD dollar this website pay you every day under time claim every 3 minutes. It's very easy. I show you how you can claim. Okay, the first one, just go to solve the capture. Okay, just solve this capture too. And this one is a tree. Just put trees and just come down and just click your rewards. Okay, and then this website send you in your balance. Okay, after 3 minutes you can come back and claim again. The next one is a auto faucet. Auto faucet need energy. I show you how you can earn energy from here. The best way is the short links. You can visit the short links. If you will visit the 7 short links, this will be pay you this much energy. The short links is very easy too. Just I visit one of these. Just click this one. I wait few seconds to reload. Okay, and okay, now it's reload. This will be tell me just the capture, and then you can continue. I just wait till reloading is finished and then show me a capture. Then I can fill the capture and I can claim. Okay, show advertisement. I close and wait few seconds for advertisement. Okay, this ad I close it and just solve the capture. Okay, this one is a traffic light. I just click traffic light, just click verify and let it come down and just click this one. Okay, and after 50 seconds I will be able to claim my reward. Okay, this short links have a lot of advertisement. I just pause the video. Okay guys, now you can see I solved the capture. Okay, and I show you. I go to my dashboard. You can see this much energy I have, this much balance, and you can now go to your energy every this much USD you got. Okay, just please wait every one energy you got this much USD, and you just open it and leave it. Okay, like this, and it's very easy. The next one is a PTC hats, but right now the PTC hat is not available because I watched all of the PTC hats, and you can come back tomorrow. And the next one is a lottery ticket. This is a lottery ticket. This is the price. You can buy a lottery ticket with this much price, and this is another best way. And the next one is the achievements. Okay, if you reach the achievements, you can earn this all, and you can make much more. And thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description, and this is just subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos too. Bye bye.